Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic. And initially, I was going to do this as a What's New Wednesday or a Washi Wednesday, but it looks like it's going to end up being more of a Throwback Thursday or maybe even a Flashback Friday because this is the first time that I have ordered from Simply Gilded this year, I believe. Anyway, I know it's been a while since I did a haul from Simply Gilded. I also believe this is the most washi that I have ordered from them at one time. So it came in this pink box, very cute. This bow label came inside. I just kind of stuck it there, a couple of address information. Then we got the packing slip. Let's take that out. It came with this journaling card. Time for tea. And then this is the sticker sampler. And this is all the washi. A lot of this was on sale. Usually when I shop Simply Gilded, I get things that are on sale. So let's start with this one because I think I already have this one. This is one of the mandala washis. I'm gonna try to avoid as much glare as I can. I don't really like to take the cover packaging off because I like to take that off when I swatch it. That way I know whether it has been swatched or not. And again, I think I already have this one. Yeah, but I've used this so much that I'm pretty low on it. This is Floral Fantasy Mandala. Okay. I may not give you all the names because I have to look each one up. So, and I don't know if I have what I have sets of, if I have sets of everything. Don't think I do. Yep, this is a set. All right. So then we have this one with the silver foil. And I think it's got some kind of blue reflect to it. I'm not sure. I think this is the tie-dye. So it looks like it's got nice pastel tie-dye colors, but it's also kind of got like a pastel rainbowy feel to it. So we got that. And this is another tie-dye, which is good with the summer coming. Good with summer spreads. And I know a lot of people have moved away from using washi. I still like to use it on my planner spreads. So I will continue using it as much as possible. I think this is Bloom and Simply Gilded Moon Washi. I'm not sure what Bloom. It looks like a collab washi, maybe. Oh, here it is, right here. Yeah, duh. So I don't know who Bloom is. If anybody knows about that shop or company or whatever it is, let me know in the comments. Enlighten me. This is a collab washi. Then here's another set. This is the black and white leopard set. That's what it looks like. This is the pink tortoiseshell washi. It's got the silver bows. Try not to get too many bow washis because I have a lot of those. And I think I prefer the stardust and the mandala designs or other types of designs, not just the bows. Um, I like the simple line bow too. Let's go with this one. This is another single. This one is tropical leaf washi with light gold foil. So it's very simple. Neutral colors kind of can go with pretty much anything. And I think I could use this year round. It's not like specifically summer, even though it says tropical. Because of the colorway, it's a little more versatile. I should have been marking these off as I go, but there we go. Let's see which is this. All right, so this is like blue and purple. It looks kind of watercolor. This is a set. I'm guessing this is Tidal Ink Stardust 2.0 washi set with the silver and silver holographic foil. But it does have some purple tones in it. I'm not sure if that's coming through on camera, but hopefully you can see it. So it's a nice blue. I'm running low on blue washi. I have a lot of the dark blue, but not lighter blue. This is a simple line style washi with the bow. So that's what that looks like. Then we have this set, another kind of neutral. I believe this is the smoky sage with light gold and gold stardust. This doesn't really give sage to me. It kind of gives I don't know, it doesn't give anything green. It kind of gives like a tan beigey color. This is very nice. I like this one. This is Celestial Carnival Constellations Washi with rosy pink gold foil. So that's what that one looks like. Then this is another mandala. This is the red mandala washi. I don't have to look that one up. I know what this one is. It kind of gives like burnt orange rust color, but I'm guessing that is coming from my light. So when I look at it on the viewfinder, it does look red there. So maybe just be the glare of the packaging. This is a set. Ooh, this one is really pretty. It looks like it's got lanterns on it. I believe this is Moon Festival 3.0 Stardust Washi set with light gold and light gold holographic foil. So it's got like lanterns in the stardust. I like that because it gives it stardust an even more gilded look. Hopefully that's coming through. I like this one a lot. It's got purples to like a fuchsia color, purpley pinky colors. Then I think the rest of these are singles. This one I'm not sure about because usually the Stardust doesn't come as a single. So this could be a freebie. I don't know. I'm going to assume that this is. I like the colorway. It's a tan, a light brown color. I'm sure there's a better description for this. I just can't think of it. It kind of gives an orangey tint in the viewfinder, but it's more on the less orange, more brown looking. I like that one a lot because it's nice and neutral. And here's another set, Stardust set. I believe this is the Robin's Egg Garden Stardust Washi set with silver holographic foil. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And the reason I got this is I wanted more floral washi because I'm kind of running low on floral stickers. And I'm trying not, even though I recently bought some new stickers that were on clearance at Michael, which I will show to you in another video. But I'm trying to steer clear of buying too many stickers, especially since I'm able to print and cut my own stickers. So washi tape is another alternative for those of us that like florals. The more florals to me, the better. And if anybody knows of a good teal washi, I keep looking on Simply Gilded for that. And they don't ever seem to have it. I have one nice teal washi from Simply Gilded from years ago, and that is it. And it's almost gone. All right, so this is the Fairy Mushroom Twinkle Garland washi, I believe, with rose gold foil in iridescent overlay. I'm guessing. I think I got it right. This one has like a very thin line of purple, and it goes to pink and then a peachy color. It's nice. And I try to get some of the 10 millimeter versus always getting the 15 millimeters, except for the sets, because sometimes I don't need such a wide washi. And it's nice to have separate washis that don't match like this as part of a set to use because I don't like to use, I use washi a lot at the top of my page and the bottom of the page. And I don't often like to use the same washi, but I could. So with something like this, I would put the thinner washi at the top and the thicker washi at the bottom to ground the page. So if you choose to use two of the same washis and you have two different sizes, it is a good idea to put the thicker one at the bottom and the thinner one at top so it doesn't it seems like the page will be out of balance like this. But when you do it like this, it makes more sense. At least it does to me. Anywho, so there's that one. Then we got the zebra print. There's no foil on this one. At least I don't think there is. No foil. It's another 10 millimeter washi standalone. So it's not part of a set. This one is the Celestial Carnival Moon Washi. So I have some other colors of this moon washi. I think I have a peach color, I have a white color, and I may have one other color. But I do like the moon washi as well. So that's everything that I got from Simply Gilded. This one actually goes, let's put all my sets together. Put the little ones on top. So I got 7 sets, and these two are from the same family. So the moon and the celestial are from the same family, and kind of have a teal color to them a little bit, but I would like a completely teal washi. Maybe a nice teal stardust washi would be great. Um, these have pinks, more of like a rainbow look with pink, green, blue. A little touch of purple, I think, is in there as well with rose gold foil. And this is standalone. All of these are standalones, I believe. Yeah, nope, nope, nope. That red is going to be really nice. I can see. So these are all standalone. And see, they're all different, very different. So I don't have a lot of same type of thing. I tried to, since I was splurging a little bit, I tried to mix it up and have something new for pretty much every colorway. So that's all the standalones that I got, in addition to these, which I probably will use a lot because I love the colorway on that. Then these are all of, I'm not gonna be able to hold all of these. These are all of my sets. So that's the first set of sets. So that's the first lineup of sets. I guess I could put them down like that. And then these are random, very random, as you can see. All right. So that is everything. My haul from Simply Gilded. I did earn some rewards from Simply Gilded, so I'll probably make one more small order so that I can get those rewards used. And then I'll probably lay off of Simply Gilded for a while because this is a lot of washi, and I already have quite a bit of washi that I'm working on using. I just needed a little something new to add something different to my planning routine, my planning situation. If you are interested in ordering from Simply Gilded, I do have a special link in the description box below where you can get a discount. Always check the sales section first to see if there's anything that I like there. I try not to pay full price if I can help it, but I do have like I said, discount. So if I have a discount, then I'll buy full price. All right, that's it. Let me know what you think about the washi that I got. If you want me to come back and do a swatch video, let me know in the comments, or maybe we can do a live stream. Let me know which one you would prefer. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave a bow in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this Simply Gilded haul. It's been a while. I was excited to get a box. This is my first time ever receiving the washi in a box like this and it not be a subscription box or something like that. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye.